Hello. As part of week 1, you'll be working on setting up your EDT course portfolio. And if you look, some important things to remember, this is done in PBWorks. It is a free application on the web as long as you include the .pbworks.com. If in the future you would decide you do not want to see that in your web address, you would be able to pay for this service and then your website would not include pbworks.com. So this is our main page. As you can see, it contains all 5 of the courses in the EDT program. We have the name of the program. We would like to have your name and the Wilmington University symbol. Anytime you see directions on a page, such as up here, you do not include those directions on your page. When thinking about this portfolio, for those of us who used to do the 3-ring binders, this is the same thing, just digital. Over on the right-hand side, you're going to make a sidebar. You'll edit this to include links to your table of contents, which is this main page. You can see it's named Table of Contents. And then each of the 5 courses, 6005, 6010 through 6045. So think of this as the home base. Excuse me. Unfortunately, we use this to show others the work you are doing, so we can't have a lot of creativity. We're asking, as you can see in the directions, all portfolios must look exactly like the prototype. And this is very unlike us. We encourage a lot of creativity. However, when it comes to the ePortfolio, we must ask that you do exactly the same way we have it. So for this class, you'll be completing this front page. You'll create a page for each of the 5 classes. So that's a total of 6 pages. The main page here, and then these 5 pages. And then once you click on EDT 6005, this brings up the course page. Once again, you're not going to include the directions at the top, but your portfolio will look like this. The name of the course description, all of these can be copied right from this website, a link to the standards, and then your 4 assignments that we're going to include. Blog response activity, we will not be using it for this course. So you can do the interactive whiteboard, concept map, mobile devices instruction project, and the collaborative online instruction unit. These are 4 more pages. So if you're counting, that's a total of 9 pages you will create by the end of the course. So you'll be pretty proficient when you're done. The last thing I add on this page is to return to the front page or return to that table of contents. Some things to note when you're creating and submitting your pages. When I go to the edit, which you'll often be doing, it says I don't have access. I'm going to go back, I'll request access and see if I can get it. I would have to enter my email address. I'll do this later. I wanted to show you when you actually go into edit, your URL, or the web address up here at the top, will say the words view equals edit. When you're in that mode, only you can see it. Nobody else can. I'm not able to see it. So when you send me your link, whether you post it in Blackboard, post it in TaskStream, or anywhere else, you always want to make sure you're in this view mode and copy this address. WilMU EDT candidate example. This is the name you'll be giving your page. .pbworks.com is assigned automatically, along with this middle section, W page 47427068. That's assigned by PBWorks, and the name that you gave the page, EDT 6005. So that should help. When you send me information, that's what you will do. You'll go ahead and copy this link from the view, not from the edit, from the view, and I'll be able to view it. If not, I'll have to send it back to you asking you to redo the link. I'm going to go ahead and click. Once we create an assignment, what you'll do is rate this chart, the name of the assignment, and the link to the assignment. Once again, do not copy the directions. And you're going to give us a description of the artifact, an analysis, and a reflection. I'm really interested in the description and the reflection. And I want you to be truthful on the reflection as I use this to adjust assignments, make changes to assignments, and update. I'm going to go back to EDT 6005, which is the main page for this course. So this is an overview of your ePortfolio. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, call me. We want to make sure you have a good foundation on using PBWorks. You'll be using it again throughout the program, each course, creating a page for each course. So please feel free to contact me with any questions or concerns. I look forward to seeing your portfolios.